In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send and sign with data verification in Docusign Esignature. This process is crucial for ensuring your documents are not just signed, but also verified for the accuracy of the data they contain. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be fully equipped to send documents for electronic signatures, while also setting up productive data verifications. Firstly, you'll need to navigate to the Docusign website. Docusign is a leading platform in electronic signature and intelligent agreement management, and accessing it is straightforward. Open your preferred web browser, enter the URL, and you'll land on their homepage. Next, to gain complete access to the features we will be using today, you must log in. Look for the login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on this button and enter your credentials. It's important to ensure you input the correct details to prevent any login issues. If you don't have an account, you may need to sign up and then log in. Once you're logged in, head over to the Docusign home. This section acts as your primary dashboard. Here, you can quickly access any ongoing agreements and track the status of documents you've sent or received. It's an ideal starting point for any tasks in Docusign. From the homepage, locate the Start button, typically found at the top or in a noticeable area dedicated to starting new activities. Clicking Start enables you to create a new document set for signing. This step is crucial as it directs you to begin the setup of your document. Following that, it's time to add in your document details. You will see a section prompting you to input these details. You'll need to upload the document that requires signing and verify all information you're including at this stage. Type, review, and confirm that everything is accurate before proceeding to ensure a seamless process. After ensuring the details are correctly filled out, click on Next to advance to the customization portion. This action will allow you to designate specific fields within your document that need additional data verification. This is where accuracy becomes paramount because you are laying down the necessary checks for validating data. In this new section, you'll want to use the Custom Fields option. By selecting it, you gain the ability to customize which parts of your document require unique attention or additional information before being signed. This feature allows for a high degree of flexibility and control over the signing process. Finally, click on Validation Type. This is where you choose the type of verification needed for each field. By setting the right validation type, whether it's text, email, number verification, or other options, you add an extra layer of security and professionalism to your documents, ensuring they are handled with the highest level of precision. And that's it. By following these steps, you can effectively send and sign documents using Docusign's data verification capabilities, streamlining your workflow and enhancing your document security. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more insightful tutorials.